how to make a Minecraft window. So first, we need tape. White tape. Second, we need to add little pieces like cookies and add it everywhere and make a square. Forget the side. Okay? And now you have it. What do you think? I'll make more. And there you have it. What do you think? Check the next episode tomorrow.